Climb inside the 2020 BMW X3. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.